Here we are, just approaching Burr Island. There in the distance, sitting plumb in the ocean. Beautiful, wonderful. So here you can see where we're going to put the charge point. Here is the incoming cable for this building. This was an old cow barn. They've taken the cable in here through this hole, obviously, so I'm just going to utilise that to get the power in for this charge point. So if we come round here to where the fuse box is, there's this panelling. I've already started to remove it, which hides our cable coming in. Interesting, it comes in here to a 100 amp fuse, but this is obviously looks like it's only 6 mils, so that shouldn't really be 100 amps, but we'll have to check with the building. So you can see I've forgotten the hammer, but I'm just using this trusty screwdriver just to gently pry up these panels so I can get to the hole.